Antigravity has just announced that the release of its 360-camera drone, the Antigravity A1, has been moved up. And according to what was posted on their social media, it's officially launching tomorrow, December 4th. This drone was first revealed on August 14th through a massive marketing campaign, presented as the world's first 360 drone, but the announcement didn't include any technical or commercial details. Anyone who tried to buy it on the official website quickly found out it was still in the development phase, with sales originally planned to start only in January 2026. But something happened recently that completely changed the schedule, causing this unexpected early launch, and that's what we're about to uncover next. The Antigravity A1 wasn't presented just as a drone, but as an entirely new concept. An innovative, lightweight, intuitive device unlike anything we've seen so far. Its purpose is to introduce a new way of flying, more free, more creative, and much closer to that feeling of being inside the drone itself, exploring the world effortlessly and without limits, even for those with zero experience. It arrives to open a new style of aerial capture, where every flight becomes a creative experience with endless possibilities. It was designed to be a light, practical, and smart drone that anyone can use, from beginners who just want to have fun, to professionals looking for new ways to create unique, standout content. Antigravity will be sold in a well-equipped combo, called the Explorer Bundle. But anyone who pre-ordered it will get a few extra goodies, like this metal plate, with the serial number, an anti-gravity cap, a 128GB SD card, a custom memory card adapter, and a landing pad for takeoff and landing. Those who buy it after the launch will receive only the standard Explorer combo, which includes the drone with its protective case, the goggles and battery, a lanyard to wear the battery around the neck, the grip controller, the smart charger, 3 batteries, and a carrying bag, plus the usual basic accessories, such as 4 spare propellers, cables, and manuals. The Antigravity A1 features 2 spherical lenses that generate a full 360-degree image, one on the top and one on the bottom. Working together, they create an effect that makes the drone itself invisible, delivering interference-free footage and capturing everything around it, resulting in a full 8K resolution image. With the vision goggles, you dive into a full 360-degree world and can look freely in any direction, as if you had been teleported inside the drone itself. This creates a completely realistic sense of immersion, giving you such a strong connection that your mind forgets you're even using a device. They also include a unique extra detail, an external display, so people around you can watch the live feed of your flight as well. The grip controller follows the same modern, innovative design philosophy, introducing completely new ways to pilot the drone. Just point in the direction you want to fly, and pull the trigger. The drone moves easily and intuitively, almost like it's an extension of your own gestures. It also features this control wheel, which can be operated with the pilot's thumb, allowing the drone to rotate on its own axis. The Antigravity comes with a retractable landing gear that folds up right after takeoff and automatically lowers again as the drone approaches the ground. This clever solution is designed to protect the bottom lens. This drone features a front anti-collision system with 2 optical sensors that make the flight safer, helping it avoid obstacles, especially during automatic return. It's also very likely that the 360 degrees lenses themselves are used to support the obstacle avoidance system, acting almost like omnidirectional optical sensors, capable of detecting hazards from every side. On the bottom, it has 2 more optical sensors, plus an infrared sensor for positioning and altitude measurement. And there's also a high-brightness LED to make landing easier in low-light environments. But what caused this unexpected early launch of the Antigravity A1? Everyone already knows that Antigravity is a company incubated by Insta360 to develop drones, and this market is heavily dominated by DJI. So we're about to witness an escalation in the battle between two giants fighting to protect their territory. This rivalry actually began quietly in the action camera segment, which was originally ruled by GoPro. But over time, GoPro started losing ground, both to Insta360 and to DJI, as each of them kept releasing new products and securing their own slice of the market. But recently, this competition gained a whole new level when DJI launched the Osmo 360. That territory had always been dominated by Insta360, which immediately felt threatened, and is now striking back with the launch of the Antigravity A1. So we're about to see another chapter of this battle unfold, but this won't be an easy mission. In the past, several manufacturers tried to challenge DJI, and every single time DJI came out on top. The most well-known example was GoPro's attempt to go head-to-head with DJI by launching its own drone, the Karma. But it suffered from serious battery issues, and units literally started falling from the sky, which ultimately led to its failure. As we saw at the beginning of this video, the Antigravity A1 was originally scheduled for release in January 2026. But recently, promotional images of the DJI Avata 360 leaked, and several rumors suggest it will launch before Christmas. In other words, the Antigravity A1 would no longer be the first 360 drone in the world to hit the shelves. So Antigravity had to move fast and push the launch forward to December 4th. Antigravity has already made it clear how much impact it could have on the future of the drone industry. It's not just another release, it introduces a new trend: drones that eliminate the need for a gimbal, while delivering fully stabilized 360-degree footage. This shift in paradigm opens the door to a new era, where capturing every angle in high resolution becomes natural and accessible. More than a product, Antigravity is a glimpse of what's coming, and a sign that the drone market will never be the same again. Now all we can do is wait to see whether it becomes a sales success, but one thing is certain: it has already carved its place in drone history. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.